Okay, so let's have this problem. So for this multiplication and division of scientific notation, then for this given, take note that for multiplication of scientific notation, just multiply these numbers. So 2.156 then times 5.034. So we have 2.156 then times 5.034 then equals, so that's 10.853304. So this is equal to 10.853304. Then times 10, and for the exponent, we need to add these exponents. So this is 2 plus 5. So the exponent is positive 7. So times 10 to the power positive 7. Then this time we need to rewrite this scientific notation in a standard form. So we need to move one decimal to the left. Then take note that if we move to the left, this is positive. And if we move to the right, this is negative. So since we move one decimal to the left, so therefore plus 1 for the exponent. So the final answer is 1.0853304 then times 10 to the power 8. Then for this given, so again for multiplication of scientific notation, multiply these numbers. So we have 6.74 then times 3.441 equals, so that's 23.19234. So this is equal to 23.19 then 234 then times 10, and for the exponent we need to add these two exponents. So this is negative 4 plus 5, and this negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. So the exponent is positive 1. Then this time we need to rewrite this scientific notation in a standard form. So we need to move one decimal to the left, and since to the left, so therefore that's positive. So this one is plus 1 for the exponent. So the final answer is 2.319234 then times 10 to the power 2. Then for this given, so multiplication of scientific notation, so multiply these numbers. So we have 5.07 then times 4.103 then equals, so that's 20.80221. So this is equal to 20.80221 then times 10, and for the exponent, so we need to add these exponents. So we have negative 2 then plus negative 7. So since the same negative, so you add, this is negative 9. So the exponent is negative 9. Then we need to rewrite this scientific notation in a standard form. So we need to move one decimal to the left. Since to the left, that's positive, so therefore this is plus 1. So the final answer is 2.080221 then times 10. So this negative 9 plus 1, that's negative 8. For this division of scientific notation, so we just need to divide these numbers. So 7.126 divided by 3.37. So 7.126 then divide by 3.37 equals, so that's 2.11454. So this is equal to 2.11454, then times 10. And for the exponent, so this time we need to subtract these two exponents. So for division, you need to subtract the exponents. So this is 8 minus 6. So the exponent is positive 2. So times 10 to the power 2. Then for this given, so for the division of scientific notation, so just divide these numbers. So we have 4.69, then divide by 6.23 equals, so that's 0.75281. So this is equal to 0.75281, then times 10. So for the exponent, so again, we need to subtract the exponents for the division. So this is 5 minus 9. So the exponent is negative 4. So times 10 to the power negative 4. Then take note that we need to rewrite this scientific notation in a standard form. So in this case, we need to move one decimal to the right, and take note that if we move to the right, this is negative. So therefore for the exponent, minus 1. Then for the final answer, so this is 7.5281, then times 10. And this negative 4 and negative 1, that's negative 5. Then for this given, so we need to divide these numbers. So we have 5.0451, then divide by 8.32 equals, so that's 0.6638. So this is equal to 0.60638, then times 10. And for the exponent, so subtract these two exponents. So this is negative 5, then minus 3. And negative 5 minus 3, this is negative 8. So the exponent is negative 8. Then we need to rewrite this scientific notation in a standard form. So we need to move one decimal to the right, and to the right, that's negative. So therefore, this exponent is minus 1. So we have now 6.0638, then times 10 to the power negative 9. Then for this given, so again, we need to divide these numbers. So we have 8.231, then divide by 7.56 equals, so that's 1.08876. So this is equal to 1.08876, then times 10. And for the exponent, so subtract these two exponents. So we have 6 then minus negative 3. And for this double negative, that's positive. So therefore, the exponent is equal to positive 9.